This is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Love of Leaves bundle from the new holiday catalog from Stampin' Up. So here is the card, and here is the bundle. Now this bundle is amazing. It has this stamp set, which is a distinctive stamp set. It has that shadow and highlight variation within the stamp. And the dies are awesome because they are very versatile. They cut out the stamp as well as have a stitched border that you can use to cut an outline like I have done here. And they also have interior stitching that you can add to the piece that you cut out. So there's 3 ways to use these dies. Pretty cool. And they also have this die that you can add anywhere to the side or whatever that add this kind of rain stitching that looks really cool. So I've already cut out and done the stitching on this piece right here. And I've got this piece of plaid tidings paper here that I'm going to use. The plaid tidings paper is super cool. It has all these different plaid designs, like seasonal Merry Christmas ones and spring, summer, different kinds of plaids. I'm going to put 4 dimensionals, 1 in each corner. And then I'm going to attach it to the top of the card. This way it's easier to see where I'm placing the leaf so that I can have the plaid show through and I don't see anything else but the plaid. And then I'm just going to flip it over and put 4 dimensionals in each corner of this piece. Pretty easy. Then I will place this on my card base of Pretty Peacock, which is one of the in colors, really pretty in color. And my plaid piece has that color in it. And then this piece right here is Cinnamon Cider, one of the new in colors, and they go really nicely together. And then I've got this really pretty new embroidered ribbon that goes with the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper that is in the new holiday catalog. So I did my little bunny ears and then tied them in a bow. And I'm just going to adjust them to where I want the bow, and then I will cut them. Like so. I'll cut this a little bit more. And then I'm going to use some glue dots to attach them here. So let me find my glue dots. Usually they're right here when I'm looking for them, right next to me. And I always can't find them. Yep, they're right here. So I'm gonna do a glue dot on either side because there's nothing to really attach to here in the middle. So I'll just use 2 glue dots, put them on each side here. Like so. And then I'm going to show you a little trick. So I'm going to stamp the thank you in Pretty Peacock to match my card base here and I'm going to use the new banners Pick-a-Punch. And this is cool because you can do 2 types of banners in 3 different sizes. But actually, in actuality, you can do any size that you want up to 1 inch. Because if you turn the punch over and you just align it yourself, you can just go ahead and measure whatever size you want. I'm going to stamp first the thank you. So I've got my block, and here's the bundle, like we said before. And I'm going to grab the thank you. Actually, a better way to apply it to your block is to place it down and then use the block to grab it, because then you know it hasn't like warped or moved or anything. And then I'll just stamp it like so. And then I can go ahead and I like to place it upside down just to kind of make sure I'm punching evenly. Like so. And there we go. And I like to have kind of this long handle so I can hold it. If you cut it short, like it's going to be on your card, it's going to be quite difficult for you to punch this. You're going to have a hard time. See, it's all the way in there and you can't you can't punch it. So definitely do a long strip when you're using any punch really that does a banner or any kind of end punch like this. That's my little tip. That's my little trick. So I'm just going to use a little bit of Stampin' Seal to adhere this right here. I'm just going to tuck it underneath the ribbon here. And there's my card. Right there. So as always, if you purchase this bundle, I am offering a card class. It's upcoming in the next couple weeks, so be on the lookout. Meanwhile, if you place an order on my website, elainescreations.net, and use the September hostess code, I will be sending you a gift. So be sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.